Kicking things off, unleash your dog's joy with the Woof Starter Pack. Imagine the thrill of creating chicken-flavored puppy popsicles. This interactive toy captures drool and messes while keeping your furry friend entertained. Create endless frozen delights they crave, and enjoy peace at home. Moving on, this is a game changer for pet lovers, the One-Is-All Grooming Vacuum. Handling grooming and cleaning with ease, it captures 99% of pet hair, making shedding stress vanish and leaving your home spotless. Enjoy quality bonding time while your pet feels pampered and calm. Number 3 on the list, get creative with the Pet Bed Sewing Kit. Tailor a comfy sanctuary for your furry pal with thick threads and durable needles that sew through anything. Craft a masterpiece of coziness, saving cash and bringing warmth and style to your pet's kingdom. The next highlight is personalization at its finest, the custom Catch Dog Collar. Picture your pet strutting around with a unique engraved leather collar. No tags, no fuss, just a statement of style and safety. An easy way to keep them safe while they stay fashionable. Ending on a high note, preserve the adorable with the Nabbins Paw Print Kit. Capture your pet's prints effortlessly with this no-mess stamp pad. Create timeless memories and decorate your space with love. A treasured keepsake perfect for framing those special moments together. All links are in the description. Tap like to save this list.